Hello everyone, thank you for coming. What I've got here is a little small program of a quick simple calculator, and I've got a form, some labels, test file, test sorry, a test and then I've got a couple of buttons. The first one is a plus button, minus, times, divide. And then when I click on this button, I want it to quick. Really, what you want to do is size it up to make it look nice. But for now, I've just got it this way. And then on the caption of each one, like the first one, I've got the caption as plus. So I've got a plus sign on it. The same thing for the rest of them. And when the user enter stuff into here, first number, second number, if you click on the plus, it should bring the answer as adding the two numbers. If you click the minus, it will subtract this one, the bottom from the top, and it will times the two numbers, and then it will divide the numbers and show the answer in the answer label. So if we double click into the plus sign, all we want is for the label answer dot caption is equals to change whatever it is, calculate and change it into a val. So that's what I've got VAL over here, test number dot. So the test number is basically test number one, test number one. I will just give it so that you can see very clear. Test number one, that's the name for the first one. For the second one is test number two. So I'm saying that the test number one dot test plus, change it into a val, change this one into a val. Test number two dot test is basically add the two of them. When we click on the button divide, first of all, it will check that the second number is not 0. Then it will say that's why we got if text1 dot test is equals to 0, then division error, call the error handler. So what it will do is just call the error handler. We'll come back to that. Otherwise, what it will do is update the test answer by making sure that the test label will divide number one by the number two test, whatever is in there. And then the same thing for the button for multiple. We want to make sure that it multiplies the first by the second number. So then put it into the label caption. And we click on the quit thing, we just want it to end. And then when we click on the multiplication test val, we just want the caption of the label answer to take the test, whatever is the value is in the first test file test, and then take the second one out of that and put the answer into the label caption. So back to the error, divide error that we were talking about for the if statement of the division fin. I've got here under another method or function, whatever you will call it. Subdivide error, that's the name. Divide error, the same. And beep, show the message I can't divide by 0 in a message box. Plus whatever you enter of 48, and then it will stop the program after some series of errors. Okay, so let's give it a run and see how it works. So we're going to enter 4 in that and 8 in that, and if we add it we get 12. If we subtract it we get -4. If we times it we get 32. If we divide it we get 0.5. Let's see if we get that error. You get that error, I can't divide by 0, and then it quits. Okay, then just a quick thing about the quit. Let me quit that. Okay, so thank you for coming. I hope that helps. I've got another bigger program which I will talk about later on. After I've got all these little ones out of the way, then I will try and get onto that project. That project is really big, so I hope that one everyone will enjoy, because it covers every single thing that we've done here. So thank you for coming, and I hope to see you soon again. Thank you. Bye.